Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Today's question is which NDT method is most effective for detecting surface cracks on a non-magnetic stainless steel? See, MPI and LPI. These NDT methods are capable of detecting surface cracks. MPI is magnetic particle test and LPI is liquid penetrant inspection. It is also called as dye penetrant inspection, dye penetrant test, or penetrant testing. So these two NDT methods are capable of detecting surface cracks. Uh, in addition to that, in with MPI, you can detect subsurface cracks or subsurface defects too. Means surface and subsurface both defects can be detected in NPI, whereas in LPI only surface defects can be detected. But the question is on non-magnetic stainless steel. So basically, MPI is applicable only where the object can be magnetized. On non-magnetic stainless steel, you cannot use MPI. Hence, the correct answer is LPI, that is liquid penetrant inspection. Here explanation is given. You can pause the video and read this explanation. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not joined yet, and please support me financially. Thank you very much.